is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in today. Today is quarantine day. Billy's inside, came over, basically passed on the couch, and I decided, let's go steal his car, and we're gonna go jump it. Just kidding. Next best thing. We are going to ghetto hack off his exhaust because he won't do it, so I'm gonna be the one who does it. So stay tuned. We're gonna get underneath this Porsche and cut it off. So I've got it up on the ramps already, and as you guys can see, this thing has got an RV of a muffler underneath here, and it's extremely dirty. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is, because there are no couplers or anything or flanges or whatever, except way up there, we're just gonna come up in here and do a little cut, either here or maybe down here. So we'll decide that here in a second. But Billy was already planning on doing this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do it for him. So for you guys who might wanna cut off your Porsche exhaust at home, basically what I think I'm gonna be ending up doing is, if you look up in here, you can kind of see right there, there's one, and then number two is right there. It is. So there's that bolt. Those are both the hanger bolts on either side. It looks like the tip is free floating. Doesn't look like there's any other hangers back up in there. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is, once I make my cut so the muffler stays in place, I'm going to leave everything attached. And then once I cut it, I will then go up in there, remove those bolts, and then everything should just drop down as one piece. All right, guys, we are all prepped. I went ahead and measured back from the weld right here, 3.5 inches. So then I marked with some blue tape so that everything is going to be a nice clean line to cut. Nice visual there. I did go ahead and look up in here again at those the muffler mounts. I went ahead and checked those bolts. So they will come loose. I just want to make sure they weren't rusted in place just before I go cutting everything, and then the muffler's stuck up there. But we are good to go. So I'm gonna get to cutting. Cut number one done. Got a little off center down here at the bottom, but that is all right. I just wanted to make sure the line was clean, just in case he does want to weld this back up in the future. There you have it. We have separation. Everything is cut nice and clean. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is take that 13 millimeter, hit those muffler mounts, just 2 bolts on either side, and then this whole entire thing will drop right out. Okay guys, sorry for pausing the time lapse. Had to get a few more tools. Ended up having to do a little more disassembly, including the 2 corner plastic pieces underneath there, which are held on by 2 T25 Torx heads, 2 on each side. So 2 of those, and then wherever the other panel is over there. And then lastly, when I was going to pull out the actual muffler itself, the tips got lodged back inside there. So I did need to go ahead and pull off the one side of the tips. Probably could have pulled the other one off as well, but they are just held in by a standard little band here, which is a E12. So besides the 13 millimeter, you're just gonna need a T25 and the E12 to get your muffler off. And as you guys can see, this thing is massive. So it should sound really good now starting it up. All right, now that we are done and everything is looking good, besides the amount of dirt that fell out of his car, we're gonna go ahead and wake Billy up. Not the way you would think. We're gonna go let him start it. So let's go get him off the couch. I got you something.
What the hell is this? What did you do?
Nothing.
What did you do? You took off my exhaust?
No, it fell off.
It fell off? Well, what does it sound like?
I don't know. You haven't started it yet. I was gonna let you do the honors, so go ahead. A little louder than before, eh?
Oh my god. That sounds so good.
Hold on, restart it again. It actually idles kind of quiet.
Yeah,
That's kind of impressive.
I like it.
Huh. Oh my god.
Holy crap, dude. Alright, we gotta go for a test ride now.
All right, let's go.